Hey guys, Mubarak here again of Crypto Theory and in Penny Stock. Hope you're enjoying the course so far. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about how you can actually make money with cryptocurrency, all right? That's the whole purpose of this course, the whole purpose of our goal here, all right, is I want you to be able to take advantage of the current market and the current crazy hype that's going on with cryptocurrencies and be able to profit, all right? Doesn't mean you need to get involved in creating coin offerings or creating these coins and all of that I'll explain later. You don't have to get into mining, and that's how we have another course for that. But specifically, I want to talk to you about the trading aspect of it, Bitcoin trading, altcoin trading, and why this even matters. Why is cryptocurrency something that you should pay attention to, something that you need to invest in? So let's cover that right now. I'm on this site. I'm going to put the resource below. It's called coinmarketcap.com. And this is a great way to take a look at the current cryptocurrency market, their market caps, which means, or capitalizations, which mean they take the value of the cryptocurrency, you write 1 unit of it, they multiply it by all of the supply of that possible cryptocurrency out that's owned by people, and then they multiply those numbers together and they get a market cap. So just to give you an example, the market cap of a business is how much it's totally valued at. So like the market cap of Apple, for example, would be its share price. Say it's trading at $200, and then you have, say you had 1 million shares. Again, this is hypothetical. Apple has a lot more. You multiply that by the amount of shares, and you get the total market capitalization, the total value of the company. And so you can see here that this is also relevant to cryptocurrencies. But the real important part here is, let me actually take you to the home page so I can show you guys how to go to this. So you go to coinmarketcap.com and it'll show you like this. And then you go into trending and you should see the gainers and losers. And what you can see here is how much certain cryptos went up and down in price in the last 24 hours. All right, so let's take a look at something like even BitGem. You can see here that it went up 132% in 24 hours. All right, so if you were to put in your money at BitGem, say you were to buy it at $10 or $9 yesterday, at the time of this recording, then today you would have doubled your money. And this is not gambling, this is not speculating. There's strategies, right? If you just threw your money in based on your friend told you to do something, and you didn't do any research, didn't do any due diligence, and you invested your money in, yeah, that's gambling. That's like buying a lottery ticket. That's not what we're doing here at all. There is a method to this madness, all right? There is a specific strategy that allows me and my team and my traders to constantly make profits 80, 90% of the time, all right? Regardless of something, sometimes the market, right, is gonna act crazy and you're gonna lose money. But even in those scenarios, we hedge our risk, and I'll talk about what that means later, but we protect ourselves. So even if after all of our due diligence, after all of our research, if something doesn't turn out the way we wanted it to and the way we expected it to, that's fine. We're still able to sell very quickly and hold off on our money so that way we don't have much losses. So even if you invest $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 into one of these cryptos, we have a very strategic way of trading this, which I'm going to teach in future videos and future courses of how we go about it and what to look for, so that way you know, okay, you can make money off of this strategy. So what I want to show you guys is this is different cryptos, right? These are all different types of cryptocurrencies. So they have little symbols here, and you know, it's important to know that this is not like stocks in one facet, which very important facet, which is in the stock market, when you buy a share, right? I'm going to open it up in the meantime while I'm talking. When you buy a share of a company, what happens is you own a percentage of that company, right? So that's the important thing about stocks. The interesting thing about cryptocurrencies is that they are just, depending on the crypto, they're not giving you equity into the company. They're just used to exchange certain things. And so I want to show you guys here, compare the crypto market here on the right. The stock market compared to the crypto market. In the last 24 hours, you only had your top gainers. These are stocks with the top gains. They only change anywhere from 11 to 8%, right? Whereas cryptos, look at all of this, 132%, all of these. Oh, this is the amount of profit you can make, at least from all of these guys. So that's super important to me. That's super attractive to me. I want to show you guys how you can make these profits. You know, if you were to invest in BTG or Ethereum, you would have doubled your money, right? But that's even crazy. We can go into something that's been trading heavily, Ion. All right, the more volume it has, and actually let me cover volume and these different statistics in the next video, so you guys understand what you're looking at and you understand why this is so exciting and so profitable. So if you missed anything, watch this video again. You know, depending on your skill level, you might need to re-watch these videos to really understand the concepts, because every sentence I say is kind of very important to the entire aspect of understanding how to be successful. So definitely re-watch it if you want. But then in the next video, I want to go into discussing how to read this and how to understand this better. So I'll see you guys in the next video.